Did you see? My brother has fulfilled what he had promised. He saved your children.
Mohan, is everything all right?
Yes, Mom. Ketki is fine. What happened?
My sari.
Ketki?
Why isn't Radha coming? Why is Radha not
Hey,
coming with us,
Gungun.
Mohan? I won't leave
Gungun,
without
see,
Radha.
Radha is driving the bus. I will come back to take Radha. I will return.
I won't leave without Radha. What if she
No,
is hurt?
Radha won't be harmed, Gungun.
And according to our sources, the police don't have any rescue plan to save Radha's life, and that is true.
Look at Mohan, Mom. Radha's life is in danger, but it looks like he's dying. Mohan will do everything in his power to try to save Radha.
Mom, drive faster. Drive faster.
Mohan, what's going on? Why did Radha increase the
Mom,
speed?
I don't know. She's not listening.
I won't listen to you this time, Mohan. I won't put your and Aunt's lives at risk. Even if I have to die for that.
Let's be serious. Do we have a rod here to fix that thing?
What thing, Mohan?
Me, it's me.
Mohan, please.
Is there a rod in the bus? It's a simple question.
There is one.
Where?
Over there. Look over there to your left.
What? For how long will the diesel last?
Only 3 to 5 minutes.
What? Mom, Mohan, what if something happens to him? Then
Nothing will happen to Radha and Mohan. I prayed to Lord Krishna. I'm sure he will save both of them. I seek refuge in Lord Krishna. I seek refuge in Lord Krishna. What are you doing, Mohan?
Move aside, move aside.
Mohan, what are you doing?
Radha, I want to use this rod to press the accelerator so that it keep the accelerator pressed and the speed will be maintained.
No, Mohan, if you do that, the speed of the bus will drop. I can't take my foot off the pedal.
Hey, don't worry. As soon as you take your foot off the pedal, I will use the rod to press the accelerator. The speed will be maintained. I will use the other end of the rod to hold the steering in place. And that way the bus won't steer, of course.
Mohan, I'm asking you to
I-
leave. Listen to me.
I didn't come here. Okay? 1, 2, 3. That's it. We will pass it through the steering wheel. It's going straight, isn't it? Radha, now carefully get up from there. Get off the seat.
Mohan,
Come on, hurry up. We are running out of diesel, Radha. Get out. Come on, Radha.
The diesel is about to run out. That means the bomb will blast. It's impossible to save Radha and Mohan now.
Are you thinking of saving that Mohan again, Damini?
shut up, please, Mom. There is a bomb on the bus. If anything happens to Mohan, I will die.
But now nothing can be done, Damini.
Mom,
What will you do? You will get onto that bus? You have done what you wanted to.
Mom.
Now wait.
Mohan, listen to me and go. Mohan, please.
Oh, my. Whew. The bus is running fast. Ignore the fear and keep going. Ignore the fear and keep going. Ignore the fear and keep going.
Ignore the fear and keep going.
What are you
Ignore the
murmuring?
fear and keep going.
Hey, why are you smiling?
No.
I'm scared. I'll get hurt when I jump. I have never jumped out of a running bus. Have you? Then why are you smiling? You can also get hurt. If you get hurt, then who will take care of me?
You go on.
Yeah, I will. But I will take you along. Do you understand?
Why isn't Mohan jumping out of the bus?
Mohan, you are so stupid. You tell me that I am a dimwit, but in reality, you are a blockhead.
Blockhead?
Yes, a
You
blockhead.
could have said foolish. People use this commonly. What's a blockhead?
I wanted to call you a blockhead.
Okay, it's good. Blockhead.
What are you doing, Mohan? What do I do now?
Trust me, Radha.
That I always do. Mohan, please understand my point. Please go back. Gungun has already lost her mother. If she loses her father, it will be wrong, Mohan.
Lord Krishna, it will be wrong. If anything happens to Radha and Mohan, no one will trust you. No one will bow down before you. You cannot let those die who saved the lives of so many innocent children. You can't do that, Lord Krishna.
Gungun is very young. You have to see her grow up. You need to enroll her in a reputed college, see her become a successful officer and get her married. You have yet to do so much for Gungun. She needs her father at every step of her life. So please go.
And mother? I'm sure she equally needs her mother too. You said you were like Yashoda mother to Gungun.
So are you my Yashoda mother?
So she will need you as much as she will need me. Oh, the diesel is about to run out and we are here.
Everyone has been taken out of that deadly bus alive and safely. But who was driving that bus? A girl was driving the bus bravely, and the name of the girl is Radha. And Radha has not yet been saved. That is the truth.
Mohan Trivedi has entered the deadly bus to save Radha, but he hasn't been able to save that girl, Radha, yet.
Lord Krishna, diesel will run out.
Hey! It's not diesel, it's diesel. The diesel will run
Mohan,
out. Yeah.
you are correcting my English in this situation.
I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Wrong timing, right? Come on now. We have to jump. Before the diesel runs out and the bomb goes off. I mean diesel. Hey, what are we doing? Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3 and jump.
According to the fresh information from our sources, the bomb will go off within a couple of minutes. It can blast anytime. Because the diesel in the bus will last only for 1 more minute. And after that, this bus will start burning in flames. Will this deadly fire cause Radha and Mohan's death, and will it be fatal for them?
No!
Oh Lord Krishna, please save Radha and Mohan. Mohan? Mohan, are you okay? Did you get hurt,
Are
Mohan?
you okay?
Yes.
must be waiting for us there. Come on.
When Radha and Mohan are together, they are
Yes,
good.
yes.
You saved everyone, Lord Krishna. Thank you. Thank you, Lord Krishna. My children. Mohan,
Thank
are
you,
you all
Lord
right?
Krishna.
Radha? Oh, Lord,
Yes.
you saved everyone.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Mohan! Mohan! Mohan!
Mohan,
careful,
open your
careful.
eyes.
Oh, Lord!
Open your eyes and talk to me, Mohan.
Please open your eyes, Mohan. Mohan.
Mohan, wake up.
Mohan, please wake up. Mohan, please.
Please open your eyes, son.
Please wait outside. You aren't allowed to come in. Ma'am, please let go of his hand.
Miss Trivedi, Miss Trivedi. I understand your feelings, but please cooperate, miss. Mr. Trivedi hasn't received any major external injury. It seems he has sustained an internal brain injury. I don't want to scare you, but looking at the initial diagnosis, Mr. Trivedi seems critical. His life could be in danger. But don't be afraid. Have faith in the Lord.
What nonsense are you saying? Are you a doctor or a spiritual healer? Look, do your job properly. If you leave Mohan in God's hands to be saved, then I won't spare you at all.
Mind your language, ma'am. Look, I understand that you're stressed out, but this is no way to speak to a doctor. If I have your permission, may I start the treatment?
Please start the
Please,
treatment.
Mohan, no harm should come to my Mohan. I want nothing. I just want Mohan to be
Get
okay.
a grip on yourself. Shouting at the doctors will yield nothing.
My dear, don't mess with the doctors. Otherwise, they will knock you out and take your kidney.
Nothing is going to happen to Mohan. He will come out safe and sound when he comes out of this room.
It's been so long. Why haven't they returned home?
Even I have been wondering. It showed on the news channel that everything was okay. If the rescue plan was successful, then why haven't they returned?
Oh gosh! I have been making pudding. I hope it doesn't burn.
Oh Lord, what happened there? I hope Radha and Mohan are okay. Mohan!
Mohan saved everyone's life. He kept everyone unscathed. He too made it out unharmed. Then what happened suddenly?
What are you going to do? Are you going to hit me? Or else you're going to kill me. Just like you killed my mom.
Listen, I didn't kill your mom, Gungun.
You're a killer. Get a knife or something and kill me. I'm sorry, Mohan. I behaved very badly with you. But now I don't want to lose you the way I lost Mom. Please get better soon. Please.
Mohan is going to be all right, Kadambari. God cannot be so cruel to us, Kadambari.
If Mohan hadn't come to save us, he wouldn't be in that condition.
Ketki, what are you saying? Mohan would never let anything happen to you, Radha or Gungun.
Oh Lord! I wonder who has cast an evil eye on my Mohan. Why are you doing this to an innocent widow, my Lord? My Mohan!
If everyone in the family loses morale, they will lose hope of Mohan's recovery. Not at all. I won't let that happen. Aunt, don't you know what Mohan says? That his mother is the most courageous person in the world. Aunt Kadambari, please tell me, if you lose courage, then who will give Mohan courage? Tell me. Stay strong, Aunt. Ketki, the sacred thread of Rakhi is not just a symbol of brother's promise to protect his sister. It also means that the sister will stand by her brother during tough times. Ketki, have faith. The power of your Rakhi won't let anything bad happen to him. Ajit, please look after them. If not you, who will look after them? Tell me.
Yes, Radha.
Uncle, usually sons take care of their fathers. But today, you have to be the support system for your son. You will be Mohan's support system, won't you?
Yes, I will.
Stay strong, Uncle. Rahul. Gungun, come here. Sit down. Gungun, are you okay?
Yes, Radha, I'm fine. I'm absolutely fine. But I know you are not fine. You were telling everyone not to be scared. But I know how scared you were. I know you love him very much. So I know that you are scared to see him in this condition. Do you know, Radha? I hate taking tests at school. So one day, I had a test. So I refused to go to school. Do you know what Mohan said? Mohan said that you get better marks in the final exam by taking such small tests. In the same manner, Lord Krishna gives us small problems in order to prepare all of us for bigger problems. I know Mohan is going to be okay. Lord Krishna is on our side.
Yes.
What you were supposed to do, that this Radha has done. I have a fear, my dear, that she takes up your position of being a daughter-in-law.
Oh gosh! This shouldn't have happened. I'll be punished if anyone sees this photo. And what if the burning of the photo is a sign that something terrible is about to happen? Oh my gosh! I hope I didn't do anything ominous.
No, Dulhari. Nothing bad will happen. Lord Krishna, please don't test me more. Please bring Mohan back home safely. Please, Lord Krishna. Why hasn't anyone arrived yet? There is no news. What is going on?
Mohan is going to be okay, Radha. As you said before, Lord Krishna doesn't let anything bad happen to good people. And Mohan is better than everyone. Even Lord Krishna already knows how much both of us love Mohan. He won't let anything bad happen to him.
Radha, I am very scared. What if something happens to Mohan?
No.
Radha, just like you saved our family and Mohan every time, please save Mohan this time as well, Radha. I won't be able to live if anything happens to him, Radha. Please save Mohan. Please save Mohan.
Nothing is going to happen to him, Damini.
Don't cry, Damini. Mohan is going to be okay. All of us will make sure that Mohan gets better.
Damini. Damini. Gungun is right. No harm will come to Mohan. Have faith in Lord Krishna. And I know how you must be feeling right now.
What is happening? Rivals have become friends.
Everything is going to be okay, Damini.
You are right. Only you can understand what I am feeling right now. Except you, no one can understand this pain at all. I admit that there have been numerous altercations between us in the past. But right now, we both want the same thing. We want Mohan to get better. Radha, Lord Krishna listens to you always. Please tell him to help Mohan recover. Tell him to save Mohan's life. Please tell him to save Mohan.
It's odd to see this stone-hearted Damini cry.
I can understand what both of you are going through. Both Rukmini and Radha loved Lord Krishna very much. But even Lord Krishna couldn't figure out who loved him more, Rukmini or Radha.
The entire family is worried about Mohan's condition. But Damini? Her drama never ends.
Stop it, Ketki. Just stop it. You know what, Ketki? Damini cares about Mohan as much as we do. She might be evil. But her love for Mohan is true. You won't understand that.
How come my cunning daughter has become a helpless damsel?
Even Radha is not answering her calls.
What's the matter, Dulari? Why is no one answering the calls?
Neither Ajit sir nor Radha are answering the calls.
Try calling them again. Come on, Dulari.
Hello Ajit sir. I called so many times. Nobody was responding. Is everything okay?
Mr. Trivedi hasn't received any major external injury. It seems he has sustained an internal brain injury. After the initial diagnosis, Mr. Trivedi's condition seems critical. His life could be in danger.
Dulari, what's the matter? Is everything okay? Yes? Answer me. Are Gungun, Radha and Mohan okay? Nothing has happened, right? What's the matter? What happened? Why are you crying? Dulari, please tell me what's the matter. Say
don't disturb me more. This family is facing a huge problem. If anything happens to me, I won't be able to help anyone.
Dulari, please say something. What has happened? Dulari! Dulari, I want to know.
Come on, Gungun. Let's go.
Rahul, wait. Even I will come along with you. What if you need to come back here?
I have an urgent task for you. Take as much money as you want, but get to Bridge Bhavan Hospital right away.
If he doesn't gain consciousness within 6 hours, then we'll have to call expert neurosurgeon from Delhi.
Please call them. Call whoever you want. Please hurry up.
We will need to perform open brain surgery on Mohan.
Ketki, what's the matter?
Mohan's condition is critical, Rahul.
Mohan's horoscope shows Markesh Dosha. And if you don't arrange to get him married soon, and if his wife is not there in his life to fight this dosh, Mohan will certainly die.
Rectifying one's own mistake is not a great job. It was her responsibility. Father, she was the reason. If it weren't for her, Gungun's life would have never landed in danger.